Buddy, this is YouTube user Floridian Elevators. We are now back in the iDrive strip in downtown Orlando, and we are gonna go to another hotel. That's right, you're gonna see what it is. Yup, it's the Hyatt Regency on the iDrive strip. The newer tower you see, the taller one, is actually the second tallest building in Orlando, and it's built in either 2010 or 2011. The other tower that's a little shorter was built in 1985. This used to be the Peabody, but then it became the Hyatt Regency in 2013-14. Anyways, we are gonna ride the elevators here. The taller tower, or the newer tower, which was built in either 2010 or 2011, has some Thyssenkrupp traditional elevators that are momentum, and the shorter tower has some 1985 Otis Elevonic 401s that got a slap-on mod but with Mad BS moon fixtures by Thyssenkrupp. There's also a parking deck here that's got a KONE EcoDisc with KSS 500 along with a freight elevator that I just gotta look at. But anyways, enjoy this video. This video features Riley and Joseph as an Oregon elevator fan and O-Town elevators. So with that being said, enjoy the video. Let's give these elevators a ride. We will start the tour by riding some Thyssenkrupp Momentums with traditional fixtures. So with that being said, here we go. Oh wait. These are the elevators in the newer tower, the high-rise elevators at the what's this? Oh yeah, the Hyatt Regency Orlando. And look, Thyssenkrupp traditional. This is in the newer tower, Hyatt Regency Orlando. Which one are we getting? That one just went up. Are you going up or down? Tower 1, that's, you have to walk all the way over there. I don't know how to describe it. Yep, and there's Joseph, and there's Riley.
Thyssenkrupp badge. It's a TK.
I don't know which one's coming. We've waited for a while. Nobody's showed up yet.
I should probably speed it up. Okay.
Ah, this one, I think. Please be...
Oh.
That one.
We don't have any cards out there either, but...
Yeah, oh, you're
I'll stand back. Oh, sweet.
Let's get a cab view.
Oh, I love this cab.
Let's go down to 1.
I'm gonna get a cab view in case there's too many people.
I think these are pretty good.
Look at me here. Hi.
Hey now.
This is Julian.
Yep.
And Joseph.
And there's Riley there. Let's go to 31. Got the voice.
They look like California coated.
They're Thyssenkrupp newer traditional.
They look like Mad BL California.
These are fast. Second tallest building in Orlando. And the tallest outside of downtown.
Whoops. It's Thyssenkrupp.
Any leveling?
Nope.
Nope.
There's first floor.
Sweet.
Alright, let's go down to 1. There's your ADA compliant Signa 4 style phone.
Yep, or Aurora.
Technically Signa 4 if you look at it.
Because most Thyssenkrupp uses them.
There's Big Brother over there.
Dual indicator. I'll get a cab in.
We're gonna take one more ride. There's your indicator, your switches, and there are your fixtures. TK newer traditional.
With a badge in it.
Let's watch one go out. These are nice.
And flush mounted panel too, like at 89.
Alright, well, we're gonna take one more ride up.
First floor.
It's like at the H&M at Washington Square.
Yeah, all except these are traction and are much taller and faster.
Yeah, they're probably not Synergy.
Their momentum is what these are.
Yeah. So it's probably taxed something.
I honestly don't know what type of controller these use. But this is before the grocery beat era, obviously.
Whoa.
Buttons already went out. Let's get a look out real quick. Let's hold the door.
First floor.
There's your door track. Hold the elevator, please. And there's your Rosen Center, other tower, Hilton. Not much else to see. I'm gonna ring the bell. And there are the other two.
Interlock.
Yep, TKE interlock. We are going down. We're just gonna go to 1. It's gonna nudge. Come on, please tell me you won't nudge. And Hugh, thank God.
Door slam too.
Oh yeah, kinda.
I love the ceiling a
The
lot.
ceiling is nice. I do agree.
Very nice. Oh yeah, cat view again. It's Joseph. Marble
And there's
floor.
2 cool guys in the
Hi.
elevator with me.
That's awesome ceiling. My ears just popped.
All right, let's go out to up to L, and we'll end the video.
First floor.
Yeah. Who's the other big brother?
Yeah.
Right.
Lobby.
All right, we'll get off here. Anyways, there it goes. Wait for it to shut. There it goes.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Bye.
Alright guys, now that we're done filming the newer main tower in the hotel, now we're gonna ride the elevators in the older main tower. They were originally 1985 Otis Elevonic 401 elevators with Series 1 fixtures and the grandma voice, but they were modernized with a slap-on mod by Thyssenkrupp with Mad BS Moon fixtures in 2010. Anyways, we're gonna ride these elevators. Yes, even though they got new fixtures, they are still on the original controller. Unfortunately, they recently disabled the Elevonic 401 chimes and the granny voice, but they do still feature some classic Otis feats, such as the classic leveling. Anyways, there's 2 banks in this building. We're gonna ride the main bank, which is very busy first. So with that being said, let's give them a ride. These are gonna be the elevators in the older tower at the Hyatt Regency Orlando, O-Town elevators, Riley elevators. And these are Otis Elevonic 401 elevators from 1985 that got a slap-on mod by Thyssenkrupp.
Now,
But cool thing is that they're still on the original controller and motor. All right, and here they are. They're a little busy, so we're gonna have to wait. We'll let this crew or crowd or whatever go. I'm gonna go call one down. Mad BS Moon call button.
Yep.
I don't know. That one I think is out of service. There's that one. It appears only 3 are running for some reason.
Mad BS Moon.
I think we're getting this one.
That's what a lot of Schiller 6400 NAs use. Mad BS
I think this
Moon.
one's coming. We're going down, I think. Or did it stop? Or is it in express zone? I don't know.
That's out of service.
Yeah.
They're probably modernized.
I hope they aren't modernizing it. I don't see why they should. They did a slap on just about a year ago.
So much.
Ah, here we go. We're going down.
Echo lantern, inch line.
I have talked.
Yeah. Let's get a cab view.
I talk to say that because I'll die.
It's just like the other one. It's
I've
a little different.
Otis,
never lived in
let's go down to C.
Yep, it got modernized.
I have not fully lived.
This is going down.
All it's going down.
All right. We're gonna scope to 27.
There you go.
These are fast.
They are.
It's going down. But
They did get modernized. With the BL called cancel.
Yeah.
These are very busy, as you can see.
Yeah.
And I'll squeeze on. Push back, in. 18, right?
The sabi kasi abili mo sa iyo toto.
For some reason, whenever I come, these are so busy.
You need a phone?
Sorry kasi hindi ko kumate.
These are
How
fast.
are you?
Yeah.
17.
Oh. Why
What's worse?
Sa Stefani, I'll have Cody bring me right now. Stay there. Believe me, I wouldn't have to make
This one's probably Mad BL.
Otis.
This one.
Probably not.
My turn to get classic leveling.
He probably actually wouldn't. He would leave it home.
Still an Otis.
Mad BS Moon fixtures.
It looked like Mad BL.
They might be, I don't know. All right. I'm gonna try to switch elevators. I think one of them still is the grandma voice. I don't know.
This is a perfect time to get a cab view.
And there's
Hey,
Riley and Joseph.
Julian.
Let's see. Let's see. Classic.
This is Mad BL.
All right, I'm gonna send them down.
Very nice elevator.
All right, let's let this one go. Wait just a sec.
Echo inch line indicator.
Let's call this one.
Let's get a view out here.
While we're waiting, let's get a view.
This is Orange County Convention Center. There's the escalators down there.
Yeah, you can see there's a pool over there.
Looks like they're building an elevator.
Where?
Right there. See the.
Yeah, it kind of does a little bit. Yeah, I don't know
I
though.
believe it's modernizing it. Or they're modernizing it, probably.
I hope they. I don't see why they'd mod them again. They just did a slap-on mod only about like 5 to 7 years ago, but they're still on the original controller. They run just fine. These are very, I mean, they're fast, but they're as busy as heck, so.
Yeah.
Let's get a look in the hallway. There is another bank in this tower. We'll see if that isn't so busy. It's too bad that that one's out, because I think that one still is the grandma voice on it.
It's probably being modernized still.
I hope not, like I said. Don't see why it would be.
Here's one.
Ah, here we go. We got this one. Oh, this one doesn't talk either. I think only one of them does, which is the one that's out.
Otis in the lock. See,
Let's go down to C. There's your
I'll get
inspection
into it.
certificate, ADA phone.
Wow, these are very fast. Look at the floors going by.
Kind of see the floors go by.
They need more than 4 elevators.
Well, there are 4 more on the other side of the building, you'll see. We'll ride those. C.
Perfect. There's a security camera.
Here's Big Brother. All right, we'll get off here. Going up. And anyways, there it goes. That's it. This is going to be the other bank of main elevators at the in the older tower at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Orlando, Florida Convention Center. Riley,
Hi.
Oregon elevator fan, O-Town Elevators.
Otis as well.
Like I said, same as the other ones, Otis Elevonic 401, slap-on modded with Thyssenkrupp.
Or just still Otis, probably.
They're still Otis,
I guess.
technically.
Because they're in the same controller.
They're still
Yes,
on.
Thyssenkrupp owns Mad.
All right, let's see how these are doing.
And also Mad, they're nice. Mad vs Moon. Mad vs Classic.
That's Classic and Moon. See which one's gonna come. These are installed in 1985.
Yeah. When Montgomery.
This one.
Discontinued. And Schindler Houghton was founded.
All right, 27.
This one, watch the button go out. Wow. That was interesting. We passed the lobby without stopping. We're stopping at
11.
11.
These are pretty nice classic leveling.
Oh.
The fans pretty loud.
What's the classic leveling? You can see the floor going by.
Alright, here we go. As you can see, Otis.
Otis Airlock.
Yeah, Otis Interlock.
Yes, Moon fixtures. Focus. There we go.
$27. Nice classic
That's
leveling.
amazing classic leveling.
See? I think there might be another elevator
Just like
right
the
by the
other
pool.
ones.
I do not
Joseph.
know. There's Riley
Hi.
and Joseph.
Come in. Also, Mad BL call cancel. Doesn't do anything.
Yeah, we'll take one more ride on these because these aren't so busy.
Yeah.
I'm guessing the guests here don't realize there's two banks, which is probably why the other one's so busy.
Gonna need it.
All right, let's go up to 27.
Door close button works.
These are nice. Used to have Series 1 fixtures.
PD compliant phone.
I'd say around 2010, 2011, the fixtures were replaced
Yeah,
with
I'll get a
MAD.
dual indicator.
Yeah,
Watch the floors going
dual
by.
indicators.
Interesting, you can see the floors going by. In the middle. Perfect.
Epic leveling. We'll go down to C.
Yes, the door close does work.
You can see the floors go by a little bit.
Yeah, these are really nice elevators indeed.
They are key switches, your indicator, and there are your fixtures, which are MAD BS Moon fixtures.
With the BL call cancel.
Yep.
Yeah, you can push it. Because it doesn't do anything.
I think the pool you had there on 3. Let me see. It's on 4.
There's a map over there if you want to look.
Let's go up to 4 real quick.
Ooh, epic win. We shut it on somebody.
We just pulled a Felicia. It's stopping on L. Joseph, we're on L.
24. Watch the button go out.
Watch the button go out. It is out. All right, we'll get off here. And
I'm not gonna show these people. I decided to do that.
that's it. Now we are going to ride what are probably my least favorite elevators in the building, which are some KONE EcoDisc elevators from I want to say 2013 at the parking deck. I don't think anyone else has filmed these until just recently, because me and Riley filmed them. So with that being said, let's give them a ride. These are probably my least favorite elevators in the hotel. You're gonna have an idea. You'll see how bad the motor sounds, and also the brake is pretty bad as well. So with that being said, let's give them a ride.
Super Suck 500.
These are the elevators at the Hyatt Regency parking deck in Orlando, Florida. We got some horse poo KONE elevators, I think. Let's go up to 7.
KS's.
Let's pray they run well. Let's see.
Hopefully.
I think this is 500.
KSS 500.
More like KONE Super Suck 500. Ugh.
Okay, this thing is not doing well at all.
Uh-oh.
Thankfully, we lived.
Over level.
Listen to the brake. Oh, we over leveled. Oh gosh. There's your flimsy interlock.
The alarm is California code.
Well, that's a surprise. I didn't think the parking would have KONE. All right, we're gonna go down to 2. Because I do not want to get stuck in these.
Well, Randy, I hate to say you kind of didn't make these that well. That voice is annoying. Okay, this is 370. 4 button. First it's like KONE Super Suck 500.
All right.
There's an EcoDisc, probably.
Anyways, that's it. Well, now the tour is basically over. But one more thing, though. We are going to look at a freight elevator at the older tower in the hotel before we leave this place. So with that being said, let's take a little look at it. This one used to be an Otis with GAL from 1985, but modernized by Thyssenkrupp in 2010. Anyways, here we go. We're gonna take a look at this lobby freight elevator at the older tower at the Hyatt Regency Orlando. There's Riley, there's the older tower, and there's the newer tower. Let me push the button, please, because I've never seen this thing.
I believe they're Mad BS Classic. Yep, they are.
Yep, they are.
Does it look familiar?
This one I think got fully modded.
Oh, they got blue too.
This is regular. See, in use.
Interesting, they have the same.
We're not gonna ride it, we're just gonna look inside.
Yep.
Because this is an employees only elevator.
This is cool in use.
I like it, yeah. Red for in use and blue for call.
They have the Otis doors.
This used to have GAL right here.
This used to be an old Otis with GAL, but modded by Thyssenkrupp. I think this thing got fully modded, I think.
Oh, this panel looks like mine.
The panel's a little loose.
But this is taken out. The same exact panel. Look at that.
It's coming.
Interesting they have the same panel as this.
Here it is. I think. Yep, it's here.
See it. It's probably hydraulic. But we're not gonna ride it once again. It is a Thyssenkrupp.
No passengers, freight in it only. Oh, counterweighted door, that's cool. But yeah, there's your COP. Whoa.
That's annoying.
There's the COP over there. All right, let's shut the door so whoever wants to use it can use it.
We'll hold the door. Because if you let go of the door, it will reopen.
All right, and there it goes. That's it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my tour featuring all the elevators in this nice hotel in Orlando. But anyways, guys, that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So that being said, Floridian Elevators is signing.